Hey everyone, welcome to Awesome Canadian Homes. I'm your host James, and today we're at the Princess Margaret Home Lottery Fall and Winter 2023, $2.3 million, Niagara-on-the-Lake. Man, that's a mouthful. If you like that music, you might remember a band called National Velvet, Canadian band, Maria Del Mar. That was called Right Away. So I kind of stole that song for it because I really liked the band and hope she don't mind. But anyway, that's where that comes from. And we're standing outside $2.3 million worth of bricks. Look at this place. This is, like I said, Niagara-on-the-Lake Net Zero Showhome. Look at the driveway, two car garage right there, and it looks like you're kind of in Coronation Street. Yes, top of the tip of the hat or top of the day. I don't remember what the British people say, but that's pretty much that's pretty much Coronation Street right there on your driveway, and a beautiful landscaped front. Look at this. That's pretty impressive. Very bright before the winter comes. This is very cool to see. You got a nice job on the landscaping there for sure, and yeah, it comes with $100,000 in cash. So stuff that in your pockets, and it's also on a quiet street. Except today, looks like they got landscapers, but it's a dead end street, so that's pretty neat. I think that's a perk for sure. You might have some hockey, kids playing hockey at the end of your street there. It's crazy. It'll get maybe basketball, things like that. But pretty nice. You got a covered porch here at the front. Looks like a nice wooden ceiling type of vibe in there. Looks upscale to me. I don't know. I like it. I like it. So there's a curvature window right there, but as soon as we go in, we'll see what we're dealing with. But so far, I think it's a nice townhouse with a lot of stonework and kind of upgrade. It's not just paved driveway, it's a little more upscale. Niagara-on-the-Lake. I mean, it's a nice place, and apparently the backyard. I guess we'll see it once I go in and take a look around. But apparently that's backs onto a golf course, so that's cool. And the escarpment, so that'd be pretty neat. I mean, again, upscale. There's no condo fees, so don't worry about that. This is a freehold, no condo fees or maintenance fees. So get the keys and move right on in. Again, just looks like a nice community here of your neighbors. I mean, you never can tell, but it's definitely the townhomes here look pretty nice to me. Yeah, let's just get it. Let's just breathe this in, guys. $2.3 million could be yours by Christmas, I am assuming, or maybe after. I'm not sure. I didn't look into the details right away, but I mean, it's up for grabs. Maybe this is your lucky year. End the year the right way with a brand new home. Niagara-on-the-Lake freehold. This is 2 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, plus a den. So, not bad. I mean, you don't want a huge family here, but it's a good starter home. Most definitely. Okay, so inside it looks like we have a couple of chairs as soon as you walk in the front door. It's not my style, but I mean, it's a style. It is a style. And I guess you could put your shoes on in there or something. I don't know. I would redo that myself. Maybe, with that extra money, just do something a little different there in the front. A lot of space, but to me, it's a little wasted with just 2 chairs. But let me know what you think in the comments if you don't mind. There's a closet on the left for your coats and shoes and such, like things like that. I like the entrance. It's kind of the arch and the kind of darkness kind of gives it that elevated elegance, I suppose. And right there looks like a mirror or a place to put art, but probably a mirror, which is kind of odd, but I guess that's normal in these kind of homes. You walk through, there's a powder room right here. Tiny, I can barely fit in. But there you go. I like that nothing's really standard. Like, look at the lights. It's not your 3, 4 light bulbs, right? It's like a leaf light, which is kind of nice. And then the faucet's coming out of the mirror. So I kind of like these details that I'm seeing so far in this Niagara on the Lake 2.3 net zero show home. And then the laundry room is here. Oh wow, this reminds me of Ghetto Blaster. Remember those from the 80s? You put a Ghetto Blaster on your shoulder. That's what that reminds me totally of, like speakers. But there's your washer, dryer, very symmetrical, so it's very easy on the eyes. And I like that. And of course, it's right off your 2-car garage. We'll just take a little peek in here. I do see some extra light coming from that. So that's kind of neat. You have extra windows at the top. You don't really get that too much in a normal garage. So you kind of have more light than I would normally would see in a garage, which is, again, a nice touch. And I guess you can, I don't know if they, I don't think I saw central vac, but if they don't, you can definitely get that installed part of your, I guess, well, I don't know what they are these days. Is that for electrical vehicle, maybe? But central vac, I don't know. What do they cost these days for a house this kind of size? 2, 3 grand, something like that? I don't really, couldn't tell you right. But you can definitely get it for your 100,000. You can get that and a lot more done perfectly in this house if you choose to keep it when you win it. So I hope you win it this year. I guess I'm getting lost here. I'm trying to get through. Let's see. Might have to edit this. Okay, let's go into the kitchen. We saw the front half of the house. Well, let's go into this kitchen. Again, I'm surprised at the super modern look of this home. I mean, I like the fact that your appliances are hidden, like your fridge and freezer, totally hidden. I like that. To me, that's, I don't know, I've always liked that. And the pantry, you even have a nice pantry. So you come on in, you got these strong looking shelves, very thick. Again, it shows like a little bit more quality than I'm usually seeing these Princess Margaret homes. A little more upscale this time. But maybe these are just no-name faucets and no-name paint, and I don't know. Maybe you can tell me, but to me it looks pretty nice, like a little more high-end than I'm usually, like I said. See, across there is a butler's pantry as well. Again, a nice touch, right? Looks like you got a dining for 6. Maybe you can fit 8, depends. If you put your Uncle Jimmy in a baby seat or something on the end, you can fit them in, cram them in. Here's a living room. I think they have another name, great room for this, but basically a living room, right? Fireplace, you got your TV, got a vaulted ceiling, looks quite nice with the wood trims. That's very cool. Lots of light coming in here. The couch looks a little wide. It's just I believe it's just the virtual tour doing that, but still a nice low profile, looks like a leather kind of couch. And then outside, it's covered. Oh, there's the golf course and the escarpment out there. So your backyard backs onto the golf course. I believe they call it the St. David golf course. So he's been really good. So they name him St. David. And that's the golf course and the escarpment out there. I like the high-end fence and everything. Barbecue. The air condition. Oh, there's an air conditioning unit right there. So hidden, but you hide it with a little tree plant thing there. Little fire area, sit down, bench over there, garden, and again, nature right outside. So maybe you'll see a deer out there in the morning. I don't know. But it's pretty nice, right? The fence even looks nice to me. I like that they don't hide the golf course. Just your neighbor's parts. And to me, that's pretty cool. All right, let's get back in. See what we're dealing with on the other side. On the other side of that living room is your bedroom. So this is your master principal room. Very nice. Again, that whole feature wall there with your bed. It's very cool. I like the dresser there. The only thing I don't like is look at the side tables. I prefer if they had drawers, like a bigger, substantial side tables. So maybe that's another upgrade you can do. Sliding door takes us on into the ensuite. Beautiful shower, walk-in shower. I like this a lot so far. You know, being freehold, there's no condo fees and stuff, but you still on the golf course. It's kind of nice. Okay, and then you got your water closet. His and her sinks, vanities, walk-in closet. Pretty large. I guess some women would be like, "Ah, that's not large enough." Well, men usually get the little a square box in the corner, and then the rest will be yours. Again, the white T-shirt sale is on all day, guys. So don't worry, you won't miss it. Everything's white T-shirt. Okay, so I forgot to mention, I think that's a real door there. See that door? I believe that's a door that goes to the laundry room. So maybe I think that folds up that one of the wooden things. I don't know, but I'm pretty sure there's a door at least from the laundry to your walk-in closet just to make it easy. I think that was it. Okay, so I'm gonna pause and come back because I'm gonna walk back to the stairs to go downstairs. All right, guys, we're back at the front, and there's the stairs to go down. So let's go downstairs together. Hold my hand so you don't fall. Let's do it. Downstairs, this is the rec room, and it looks like a mechanical room straight ahead there. Let me get down a little further so we can really check this out. Okay, so the rec room, and then I believe a storage and cold cellar would be through this door right there. Now the basement has a bedroom, a spa, a den, steam shower, and all that. So I'm looking forward to seeing what that looks like. I'm sure you are too, so let's get at it. There's a little games table, a little place to chill out on the couch and TV, video games, whatever you want to see. Grandpa's reel-to-reel movies from the 50s. So this is the den. You can choose to make this a home office or even another bedroom or maybe a gym or something, right? With those glass doors. Maybe a nice gym would be good. Get healthy for 2024. That'd be cool. Right? And then don't just be a couch potato, guys. Get in there, make that a gym. Here we have a nice, beautiful bedroom. I like the fact that we're in a basement, but you have a window so you can kind of escape. You won't feel trapped, right? If there's a fire, you're like, you have a little way to get out, which is always a nice feeling when you're in a basement. You don't feel trapped. So I like that. Then you got a closet on the other end, and that's almost like a walk-in closet. I looked at the blueprint, and it looks like an L shape. So you open those doors, it's like an L shape. I'm sure you can walk in at least a little bit. And then the nice shelving too built in. So like a bookcase built in. I like that idea a lot. So far, I think they got some nice details on whoever built this home. I don't have those details right now. But look at this. This is a spa. So you got it's pretty cool. You got your steam shower and your sauna. So steam shower right there, glassed in. You got another glass partition that goes to the sauna. So it's all, and that is a seat. That's like a built-in seating area. A little wave, which is kind of neat. I guess you love it or hate it, but I think it's kind of neat. And then you got a freestanding tub. Look at that. Boom. You can do your law of attraction, meditation stuff right in there for sure. And another bookcase in the washroom. I shouldn't say washroom, like the toilet area, water closet, whatever you call it. So the only thing I noticed I don't like is where the toilet is with the door. There's no sink in there. You have to come outside, so you have to touch your poo hands onto the door handle, and then come out and clean. So I don't know. Kind of rather go to the washroom, clean my hands, and then open the door. So I don't know about that, but whatever. And that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching. $2.3 million. Good luck in the draws, and I'll be back maybe with something more exciting tour when we get to the Super Grand Prize. You know, the Oakville one. I'm so looking forward to that. So thanks for watching, everybody. Let's chill out on the couch. Hope your summer's going, or your fall. Next week's going to be fall. Hope everything's going well. Stay healthy and cool, and I'll see you in the next one.